Ugh.
We have heard from phones and everyone that a child has been kidnapped. The child's name has not been identified, but notifications have been ramming up about the child that was kidnapped. In this case, if anyone you know knows this child, knows the child that just got kidnapped, call the Windowsopian cops or a Mercian cops. The alert has been cancelled. The cupid behind kidnapping that child is arrested. And ways we would go back to our programming that was in progress.
Are you tired of the same boring educational game you play?
Yeah, pretty much.
Then what you need is a new and inspirational game that'll get you through high school.
I'm listening.
Introducing Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning! That's me, by the way. Hi, I'm Baldi, and I've spent almost 3 years trying to come up with the best educational game of all time. And as any insane person would do, I took that idea and made it into reality. And when I say reality, I mean reality. Isn't that awesome? Travel through many hallways and learn many types of subjects, like math.
You're doing fantastic.
Play with some kids that are like you.
Let's play.
Be a good student and don't be a bad student to the teacher, or it's off to detention with you.
When will you learn?
Avoid the bully at all costs and don't give him what he wants.
Give me something great.
You can even hang out with the broom.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep!
Thanks, Baldi. You made me the happiest man on earth.
So what are you waiting for, kid? Get on that internet and start buying this game.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
Order Baldi's Basics now today.
Warning, Baldi is not responsible for any injuries to any child, adult, or teenager alike.